might not know that 30% of new homes and 47% of existing homes have some form of microbial growth. Let Pure Air Solutions give you a fresh start with our 2-part dry fog treatment and make your home feel like new. Step 1 of our treatment not only eliminates the mold, but also sterilizes all bacteria and viruses in only 10 minutes. Step 2 of our treatment is applying an antimicrobial barrier to all surfaces of your home. When treating your home, we not only sterilize all open areas, we also treat the drains and HVAC system. After every treatment, we take air samples and send them to a third-party laboratory to show our treatment was effective, which allows us to guarantee our work with a warranty. Pure Air Solutions can not only remediate the current mold issue, we can also help prevent future mold issues in your home.